Grandma's her rollers in.
Grandma's not on her.
Hey, Grandpa,
do you sit around in your underwear or what?
All right. Tell us what's in the bag. Okay?
That's Wayne and I.
And the card says, my eyesight is bad, ladies and
Fresh, read
gentlemen.
it.
I just came from the eye doctor the other day. She said they're 100%.
100% of what?
100% of nothing.
Oh my God. 100% of legally blind?
100% legally blind.
Sonoma.
Okay, so let's
What's in the bag is from Sonoma, Arizona.
So let's give the backstory here.
Sonoma, Arizona.
Last year at Lindsay and Rob's engagement party, of course many of you can appreciate this, we had an engagement party. It was a very nice social evening with a little coffee and some cake and so forth, and then all the boring people left and it was just the youngs.
And the Grims.
And the Grims. And we were drinking a little bit, and it got to be very late, and my mom and dad told the story about how they liked traveling years ago and going to different states, and whenever they go to a different state, they would always bring back a rock from that state.
Absolutely. Oh, don't tell me you got a rock.
That's what Jared knows. What a cute idea.
Let me show you this first.
This is from Wayne and Angie.
Oh, boy, look at that.
Sonoma, Arizona.
He picked it up on the...
No, Wayne got it. Sonoma.